everybody, it's me. I decided while my daughter was sleeping real quick to do a planner setup for March and April. Since Easter is in March, I'm going to have this set up for March and April. April is my birthday month, and I don't really feel like doing it except for the weeklies. So I am going to just show you what I've done so far, what I've used, and that's it. I made this tassel with the green, the pink, the yellow, all that. So it would be for St. Patty's and for the spring. This is my Heidi Swapp personal planner. I have a Carpe Diem A5 also, but I'm not going to use it yet. So you open it. I haven't really done much to this side yet. Got some note cards, my paper clip from my friend Kathy, my mason jar with my name, some Project Life cards, and then some stickers from the Reset Girl. I love her stickers, and so I have those. Then this also came from the Reset Girl from her Christmas kit, the Lister's kit. I love these little, they remind me of the old-fashioned library cards. In here, I have all my swaps for March of my flip books and my pocket letters that I need to get out. I won't be doing any swaps in April because of some personal stuff, but I have that. I have my Easter paper clip, and then this scrapbook paper is made. All the borders, everything came from this Uptown Flair. I got it at Hobby Lobby with 50% off. I did not laminate. I forgot. But that came from there. And then on this other side, I have a paper clip from Target Dollar Spot and some notebook pads paper. And then I made this one. This is for my monthly. Here's that paper clip again that I just made out of bunnies from Hobby Lobby. And then I flip it open. Here is my March setup for my monthly. This paper clip came from my friend Kathy. I'm hooked on donuts and cupcakes, and then I made this one. So here's this part. I made this monthly bookmark. It just, goes in and out. I got this. It's a cutting board from the Dollar Tree, 2 in a pack. And it's really big. I don't have the thing anymore, but you use it to cut stuff, and then you just throw it away, and I just use it for bookmarks and things like that, and for washi samples and all that. The stickers, I think, came from Walmart. And then here's the other half of my monthly. And then I have this one, and these are my weeklies. I have this paper clip that I made. I decided, and my inserts for my monthly and for my weekly are all by So Much Crafting for personal. I'm going to decorate from yesterday all the way to the 17th in green and gold for St. Patty's Day. After the 17th, I will decorate all the weeklies for the rest of the month in Easter colors. I also made this bookmark, and then here's the rest of this week. And I did this right here. These stickers I got from my friend Kathy. She sent them to me. And I have this one. These are also from So Much Crafting. And so then you come back here, and this is another divider that I made, and a cupcake a paper clip. And then I took this. My friend Kathy sent me some notepads. I took this, punched some holes in it, and this is what I'm going to use for my notes. So this is pretty much my setup for March and for April. I will decorate the monthly for April and Easter stuff also, and for my birthday month. I am pretty upset that Easter is in March and not in April, because then I think that March should be all for St. Patty's, like the green and the golds, and then April should be the Easter colors. But no, they had to do it differently this year. Also, I think March 13th is daylight savings, but I might be wrong. I need to find out, because that's when my daughter will freak out with sleeping. But I just wanted you guys to see this, and if you have any questions or anything, just let me know, and I will be editing this and sending it on to YouTube as soon as I can. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you.